How to add another Instagram account in one device. So what we'll simply do is we'll open our Instagram here, and after opening our Instagram, we will simply go in our profile section. We'll click on our profile, and after clicking on our profile, we can simply click on the three horizontal line which is available in the top right corner, and here we'll get option of setting. We'll simply click on setting here, and after clicking on setting, we will reach it in another page. So here we can see an option of add account. We can click on it, and here we can click on create new account. If you want to create a new account, you can simply create a new one as per your request here. And if not, if we want to log in into an existing account, so we can simply click on that, and we can add our phone number, username or email address, and a password itself. And after adding the account there, you will be simply able to switch account after long pressing the profile button. Here you can see, you can simply click on the profile that you want to log in into, the account you want to log in into. So yeah, that is how to add another Instagram account on one device.